My name is Carol. Welcome. Today's assignment is on yoga in pregnancy. The first question I'll be answering is what I would do different in a class with a pregnant woman. I would first encourage the lady to have a blanket, perhaps for knees and comfortability. Also, if they have a yoga block for additional support, as well as yoga blocks. Those would benefit them as well. And I would ensure that I would have at least blocks at the class for them. Also, I would encourage and put additional poses that are gentle stretches, side angle poses, and things of that sort, just ensuring that we're doing nice gentle stretches. The other item I would have for the class is ensure that we're breathing deeply for the exercises, not holding in our breath. This is normal for yoga practices. However, I want to ensure that the woman is comfortable. The second question is 3 poses that I would use with modification. One of the first poses that I'll show you is the garland pose, where we place our feet wide and come down. Our butt comes down to the ground. I would encourage the woman, the student, to use a block for the garland, for stability, as well as comfortability. That would be one of the modifications I would have and poses I would use. The next pose I would recommend would be the bound angle or butterfly, and modification would be having blocks underneath the knees, and also the knees and legs out a little further for room for the belly. That would be definitely another pose that I would recommend for that. Also, for the third pose that I would recommend would be for a low lunge. And as they step their legs forward, I would encourage them to use the blocks for support, and that would help reduce any kind of tension, also aid in the position and have room for the belly, or the baby. Those are the 3 poses. The last question that we had is, what 10 poses would I incorporate into the practice? For hips, I would do cat-cow. That is also a great opener for the hips as well as spine. Low lunge, warrior 2, a wide angle forward fold. These could be straight or bent. Blocks could be used as well to bring the body out forward. The butterfly that I just showed you, the bound. Also a pigeon, modified pigeon. I would take the blocks and use them also for putting one block over if that's uncomfortable for the knee. That would be the figure 4. Also, they could do it on their spine. I would also have bridge, goddess, thread the needle, as I said, and shavasana. Shavasana, I would use a bolster and blocks so their torso is upright further, less pressure on the back, as well as they can use the bolster for other poses. Those would be the 10: cat-cow, garland, low lunge, warrior 2, wide angle forward fold, butterfly, child's pose, pigeon modified. Also, pigeon can be modified in chair. Bridge, goddess, thread the needle, and shavasana. That should do it. Thank you for joining yoga and pregnancy. Namaste. Have a great day.